Did you know that organizations lose up to 1 trillion annually due to siloed thinking and fragmented decision making? This is according to a study by Gallup. But here's the exciting part. By adopting systems thinking, you can break down silos, align your teams, and make smarter interconnected decisions. In this video, you'll discover 5 actionable ways to integrate systems thinking into your organization development efforts. Let's get started. Today, we are diving into systems thinking, what it is, why it matters, and how you can use it to create a more agile, connected, and resilient organization. I've worked with organizations to transform fragmented processes into streamlined systems, improving outcomes. And today, I'm sharing those insights with you. Let's jump into the first principle of systems thinking. Understand the whole, not just the parts. The first step in systems thinking is seeing the organization as an interconnected system. This means understanding how different departments, processes, and people influence one another. Focusing only on individual parts can lead to blind spots and unintended consequences. Think about your organization as an orchestra. Each instrument plays a role, but it's the harmony that creates the magic. For example, misalignment between sales and operations leads to inefficiencies. By mapping interdependencies, you can have improved communication and reduce delivery delays. When you view the whole system, you uncover root causes rather than treating symptoms. Systems thinking starts with shifting your perspective to see the bigger picture. Without this perspective, improvements in one area may unintentionally harm another. Understand the whole system before diving into solutions. This mindset helps you anticipate how changes ripple across the organization. To lead effectively, you must think beyond silos. Always connect the dots to achieve lasting impact. Identify patterns over time. Systems thinking is about seeing trends, not just snapshots. It involves identifying patterns and cycles that shape outcomes over time. Spotting patterns allows you to address problems at their source rather than reacting to surface issues. Use data to track performance, employee behavior, or market changes. Patterns often reveal underlying systems at play, such as feedback loops or delayed effects. Focusing on patterns helps you predict and prevent problems. Without this insight, you are stuck putting out fires instead of solving the root problem. Look at long-term trends to understand the system dynamics. Patterns are the breadcrumbs that lead you to systematic solutions. What you measure shapes what you improve. Data over time is your best teacher. Recognize feedback loops. Feedback loops are the heart of systems thinking. They describe how actions reinforce or counteract each other within the system. Recognizing these loops helps you understand why systems behave the way they do. Positive feedback loops amplify change while negative loops stabilize systems. In one case, a company found that employee recognition, a positive loop, boosted morale and productivity. Conversely, micromanagement caused frustration. Not all feedback is immediate. Delayed effects can mask their impact. Mapping feedback loops reveals hidden levers for change. Without understanding these loops, you risk unintentionally reinforcing bad behaviors. Always ask, what feedback loops are at play here? Loops help you pinpoint where you intervene for maximum impact. Feedback is the language of systems. Leverage loops to drive change effectively. Embrace complexity. Systems thinking requires embracing complexity instead of oversimplifying. Organizations are dynamic, and solutions often need to account for many moving parts. Simplistic fixes can lead to unexpected consequences in complex systems. Instead of asking, what's the problem? Ask, what's the system creating this problem? In one case, addressing a sales slump by increasing targets actually backfired. The real issue was outdated marketing strategies which were uncovered through system mapping. Complex problems require nuanced, multifaceted solutions. Embrace complexity. It's where the real opportunities lie. Ignoring complexity leads to shallow, short-term fixes. Acknowledge complexity to tackle challenges effectively. Systems thinking thrives in complexity, not simplicity. Solutions lie in understanding, not avoidance. Dive into complexity to find clarity. Foster collaboration across boundaries. Systems thinking is a team sport. It thrives on cross-functional collaboration to see the full picture. Without diverse perspectives, blind spots in the system go unnoticed. Break down silos by creating opportunities for teams to share insights and challenges. Imagine you design a robust process, bringing HR and IT together to co-design processes, reducing onboarding time. Collaboration often reveals interdependencies that would otherwise remain hidden. Engage diverse teams to unlock innovative solutions. Siloed efforts can't solve systemic problems. Collaboration is the key to systems thinking success. Better connections lead to better solutions. Shared understanding drives shared problems. Make collaboration the norm, not the exception. What's one part of your organization that feels disconnected from the whole? Let me know in the comments. I would love to hear your insights. If this video helped you understand systems thinking, give it a like and subscribe for weekly tips on organization development, change management, and leadership. And share this with a colleague who's passionate about driving impactful change. Remember, systems thinking is about seeing the big picture, embracing complexity, and working collaboratively to create lasting change. Thanks for watching, and I'm so glad you are part of this learning journey. I'll see you in the next video.